Good afternoon. I am Professor Iyer. I just wanted to talk about the elephant killing took place in Kerala about a few days back. Almost all media they depict that uh, this is a inhuman act and people do not have morality. Uh, Moreover, they are interested in politicizing this issue. Let me tell you one important thing. Almost all Keralites they worship elephant. In every temple, they give importance to elephant. Even during festivals, the gods used to be carried out by elephants. Tiruchur Puram is depicting elephant show. So, if somebody has done such a heinous act, it is in fact unfortunate to blame the entire Keralite people as if they are against the nature. I feel this issue is nothing but politicizing. It is a stray act. We have to find the culprit, and it is totally baseless to blame and showing a picture that all Keralites are doing, they are all anti natural, etc. etc. First of all, when we talk about the Kerala background, almost all people, those who are migrated from Kerala, they wherever they settle, their first task is to form education institution, school, colleges, hospital, etc. Provide service to the people residing in their area. Almost 10 to 15% of the nurse population is from Kerala. About a few days back, even the Maharashtra Chief Minister requested the Kerala government to send a nurse for this COVID treatment. And I had my own acquaintances with the Keralites. In fact, they are very sober. They never see the religion, they never see the caste. Whenever you are in trouble, they will definitely help you out. No doubt, they may have little bit ego, but it is good. Who is not having ego today? Everybody is having ego. So we have to see the other part, helping others, doing social service, and not indulging any antisocial activities. So when I see these comments in Facebook, Twitter, etc., depicting that the elephant has been killed and it was in fact in a greater pain, etc., etc., and these they show in a very isolated manner. Somebody has given that particular person is to be targeted, he should be arrested, he should put behind the bars. Instead, if you just show the photograph, that elephant says that inhuman activity is going on, etc., is very bad. We have to fight with that particular incident, not with the showing that entire Kerala people are against natural. Because if I go to Guruvayur and other temples, I have seen that everybody is having elephant photos. Every shop is selling elephant photos. Even they have statue in their house, Guruvayur Kesavan, the elephant which carries Lord Guruvayurappan about a decade back. Hence, it's my humble request that it is not good to say that Keralites are against nature. They are all doing this heinous crime, etc., etc. In fact, they are peace-loving people. If somebody has done such an act, then that particular person should be punished. It is like, there are so many places in other states also. They used to kill monkeys, they used to kill stray dogs by poisoning the chicken, etc. It doesn't mean that the entire state population is responsible. I am not supporting this. Whatever happened, it's bad. But it is a micro event for which we cannot blame the entire state. Suppose what happened if that particular elephant enters in the street, entered in the city, and kills a dozen people, and after that, if shootout takes place, then people may say that this act is justified. Since the elephant is calm and it is inside the water, and you said that the elephant is good, and the person who has done this act, etc., connecting this one dot with the other dot is in fact this kind of trick can be done only by the media people, and they make a mole out of hill. So I request all the viewers not to carry out such a hatred, because I am not a Keralite. I am a Tamilian settled in Maharashtra for the last 58 years. So you can tell me that I am a Mauritian also. So I am not supporting Kerala people. If you should not feel that he is a Keralite. I am an Indian first of all, and we should not have such divisions. Again and again I repeat and say that I had acquaintances with many Keralites, many persons, many people, and they are nice people and cooperative, and they are interested in their own well-being. No doubt they render social services, and I don't think that they will commit such a heinous crime, because if you go to Kerala, you will find that they are animal lovers. Most of the people, they are having elephant as a pet, and some idiot has done this act. He should be put behind the bars, and I am very sorry for the state of affairs happening today. Thank you very much.